If you're in the Philippines and you use GCash, getting a GCash Visa Card can make payments, online shopping, and even cash withdrawals much easier. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get your GCash Visa Card in 2026. First, make sure you have a verified GCash account. Open your GCash app and check that your account is fully verified with your personal information and ID. This is important because only verified accounts can request a physical Visa card. Once your account is verified, open the GCash app and go to the Banking tab. Here you will see the option for GCash Mastercard or Visa Card. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the card request page. You'll see information about the card, including fees, how it works, and the benefits like online payments, cashless transactions, and access to rewards. Next, you need to choose whether you want a physical card or a virtual card. The physical card can be delivered to your home, while the virtual card is available immediately for online use. If you choose the physical card, make sure your delivery address is correct and complete to avoid delays. After selecting the card type, click Request Card. You may be asked to pay a small issuance fee depending on the current GCash promotion or policies. Confirm your payment and submit your request. You will see a confirmation screen, and GCash will provide an estimated delivery date for your physical card. While waiting, you can already use your virtual card for online transactions. In the app, go to Virtual Card, and you'll find your card number, CVV, and expiration date. Use this information exactly like a normal credit or debit card when shopping online. Make sure to only use trusted websites and secure connections for your safety. Once your physical card arrives, activate it immediately in the GCash app. Open the card section, select Activate, and follow the instructions. Usually, you'll need to confirm your card number and set a PIN. After activation, your card is ready for use in stores, ATMs, and online platforms that accept Visa. Remember, your GCash Visa Card is linked directly to your GCash balance, so make sure you always have funds available. You can top up your GCash account through various methods like bank transfers, over-the-counter partners, or online top-ups. Managing your balance carefully will prevent declined transactions. In conclusion, getting a GCash Visa Card is straightforward. Verify your account, request your card in the app, choose virtual or physical, and activate it. Once active, it gives you the convenience of cashless payments anywhere Visa is accepted, plus the added security of GCash's features. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials, and comment below if you've already tried your GCash Visa Card or plan to get one. See you in the next video.